Hey, my name is Tyler Vaughn, and I wanted to shoot a quick video for you, James, because I did some research, came across your guys' website, and just wanted to show you three quick things today that I think would help bring some more business to you in Rice Plumbing. So usually, a lot of people that I partner with are usually sitting there asking, why do I do this and what's in it for me? But oftentimes in the world of internet marketing, local business owners are too busy running their business to think about how internet marketing can help them and benefit their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who the expert is and who isn't. So I found by giving this free attack plan of actual things that you can do to impact your business for free, it has resulted in some of those local business owners raising their hands and saying, you know what, Tyler, I like you. Why don't you do this for me? So if by the end of this video, James, you like what you see and you see that I have a couple tricks up my sleeve that can help you in your business, just shoot me an email or call back and we can chat about how we can partner together. Or if at the end of this video you want to just take this free attack plan and do it all yourself, then you're more than welcome to do that. But first off, wanted to talk to you about content. Um, for your site to be optimized by Google, you need to have at least 1,500 words. And I did a word count on you guys' site, and you guys have 394. So long way off from 1,500, but definitely a lot of room for improvement there with the content. Going to your number one competition, Plumber Pro Service and Drains out in Athens, they have about 756 words. So very beatable, and they're still not even optimized in Google's eyes with that 1,500 mark. But they are still ranked number one, aside from Yelp, number one in the organic listing. So you're still able to beat out your competition there. So moving forward, the next thing I wanted to talk to you was the Google Map Pack or the maps. And on we can see the name of the business, the address of the business, and their phone number. So we call it the NAPS: name, address, and phone number. So you're probably sitting there asking yourself, how do I get ranked in the maps? And I like to use a tool here called Whitespark, and what it does is show me how many citations your site has. So your number one competition, which is Plumber Pro and Service Drain, they have 38 citations. And we see down here, number 8, you guys, Rice Plumbing, have 34. So not very far off, but you definitely want to be beating your competition by at least 100 to 200 citations to be, well in the clear of any competition. So what you can do with Whitespark, the reason I like it so much, is you can actually click this View Sources, and it'll list out all of the citations that Plumber Pro Service and Drain has. And you can basically just go into those sites, put your NAP, your name, your address, and your phone number in, and earn that citation from that site that Plumber Pro and Service Drain is also using. Now, the third thing that I wanted to cover with you is also very important in Google's eyes. It's what we call giving your site authority, and we call it link juice. So we see that you guys are not number one, are actually number 9. So the way link juice works, simply put, is site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is like acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's almost like a popularity contest, but it's a little more than that. So the link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have another plumbing site or a local plumber in another city linking back to you, then that would be more effective than Pizza Hut linking at you, because you're not slinging pizzas for a living. So I like to use a tool called Ahrefs, and I've put you guys' website in there, and we see that you guys have 25 backlinks. So not really a lot of link juice there, but your main competition, Plumber Pro and Service, they have 794 backlinks. So they have a lot of link juice putting back on their site. So like I said, it's like a popularity contest. So you want to have at least 300 to 400 more backlinks than your competition. in order to beat them in Google's eyes. So in closing, went over content. You guys need to have at least 1,500 words to be optimized by Google. Citations. Right now, you guys have 34. Your main competition has 38. So very beatable there. And then backlinks, aka link juice. You need to be having at least 300 to 400 more backlinks than your competition. So, James, you're probably sitting there asking yourself, what now? So, either you can take this information, like I said, and run with it. Do this all on your own, and I'm completely fine with that. But if you want to take the most effective route and save yourself some time on the back end, then just give me a call at 678-661-5695. And again, my name is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO. My number is 678-661-5695. And James, I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks.